I'm going to make this car drive upside down. So it's electric, meaning it can drive upside down, and there shouldn't be a problem. But obviously, we're going to make wheels to size. So we're going to measure these first. It's got to be tall enough to go over the roof, but also short enough to fit between the wheels. So this is going to be, shouldn't be too hard. Let's try it out. Alright, you can see the cardboard I'm using is like a really thick cardboard. It'll make a decent wheel. Let's get that cut out. And that's one wheel cut out, and you'll see this is how it attaches to the car. Now we're finished. We're going to attach all these wheels. And that is it. Wheels attached. The question is the car upside down? Upside down. Got a flip. Not manual. Smash on the stop. Going to the wheels forward. Alright, looks like we've found the best parts of this car. Has this really happened? Looks like it was diseased before. Hi Sam. Checking this together. It's a long scratch. Yeah, it's got a bit more character.